this video I'm going to show you how to make a flashing AC 60 watt light using Arduino Uno board. So let's get started. The main components are Arduino Uno board and the relay. Relay takes 6 volts DC input. Before going ahead, I want to give a small explanation regarding relay and its functioning. Even in relay we have two circuits, that is the control circuit and the load circuit. These two pins belong to the control circuit and these three pins are for the load circuit. Let me explain with a small diagram. When the power is supplied to this electromagnet, it changes to a magnet and then pulls this armature towards it, and which is creating a contact between this common terminal and the normally open terminal or the no contact terminal. When no power is given to this electromagnet, automatically the armature because of the spring action moves upwards and it gets in contact with the normally closed terminal, and this is how the relay works. So let's start giving connections now. Here you see I have connected this plug to this bulb holder directly, and there is no any switch in between. Cut one of the wires at its center. Take out the wires. I'm soldering these wires to the relay. Put these sleeves. Connect Arduino Uno board to the computer using the USB cable. Open the Arduino IDE. Let's create a new sketch. I'm writing the program now. I'm going to connect relay to pin number 12 on the Arduino board. So let's take 12 here. The pin mode will be output. So the delay here is the time that the bulb glows. And again, the delay we give here is the time the bulb puts off. Now let's upload this program. Now the program is uploaded to the board. Now connecting relay to the Arduino board. As you have seen in the program, I declared pin number 12 as the output. So one wire I am connecting to the ground here, and the other one to pin number 12. And these two wires go to the coil of the relay. You can hear the sound. The relay makes the sound here, tick tick. It is switching on and off, on and off. Connecting bulb to the power source. Turning on the power source now. And here it is, it's working.